It's the biggest motorcycle event of the year. Narito ako ngayon sa Makina Moto Show 2024 para tignan ang mga newest motorcycle models ng FKM Philippines. Sobrang excited ako dito kasi ever since na makita ko sa Facebook post ang mga motor ng FKM ay naging interesado na kagad ako dito. Magaganda actually yung mga motor nila. Ang gaganda ng mga features, tapos very competitive ang mga price. Honestly, nung una hindi ako familiar sa name na Fecon or FKM kasi nakafocus ako dati sa pag-feature sa ibang brand. Pero ngayon I'm glad na nakilala ko ang FKM kasi talagang nagustuhan ko ang mga motor nila. At sa araw na to, 2 motor pa ang maidadagdag sa kanilang lineup. Kaya naman punta na kagad tayo sa actual launching of new bikes. Syempre ito yung highlight ng event at mamaya ay titignan ko isa-isa ang mga motor ng FKM para makita nyo rin yung mga motor nila na talaga namang napakagaganda.
Let us all witness the unveiling of the new Maxi scooter from FKM Philippines, the Speed 400. Okay, the next one of the Speed 400. Speed 400 has 4 valves, liquid cooled engine, 4-stroke. 400 cc engine displacement with maximum torque of 37 Newton meters at 6,000 RPM. It gives maximum horsepower of 27 kWh at 7,700 RPM, and it driven by automatic transmission CVT. Ang kanyang fuel system has 13.5 liters tank capacity and equipped with fuel injected. Front tires of 120 by 70 by 14 and rear tires of 150 by 70 by 30. In front, suspension of telescopic fork with double shock absorber on its rear suspension, and both front and rear brakes are equipped with anti-brake system. Again, this Maxi scooter has 216.6 centimeters of length, 77 centimeters of width, 136.6 centimeters of height. Its wheelbase has 154.8 centimeters with the seat height of 74.5 centimeters with a ground clearance of 14 centimeters. And lastly, this scooter has 200 kilograms on its current weight. Again, let us all welcome the new Maxi scooter of FKM Philippines, the Speed 400. So ready na ba ang lahat? And of course, feeling ko naman, ready na silang lahat. Let us all witness the cruiser beast of FKM Philippines. Walang iba kundi ang The Glider 500S! Again, The Glider 500S. Underneath its big exterior lies an 8-valve liquid-cooled double overhead pump 4-stroke engine with a displacement of 500 cc, generating a maximum horsepower of 39.6 kWh at 8,500 RPM, a torque of 50.2 Newton meters at 6,500 RPM, equipped with EFI and a fuel capacity of 14 liters, boasting a manual transmission. This Glider 500S offers unparalleled control and efficiency. Its chassis features inverted shock in front and inflatable adjustable shocks at rear, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride no matter what the road ahead. With 120 by 80 tires in front and 150 and 8 by 80 by 50 tires in rear, along with opposed 4-piston brake caliper with 300mm dual floating discs on front and a single piston brake caliper with a 240mm single disc at rear. The Glider 500S delivers exceptional handling and stopping power. Let's not forget his impressive dimension of wheelbase of 154 centimeters, a height of 700 centimeters, and a ground clearance of 50 centimeters with a third weight of 200 kilograms. Again, let us all welcome the Beast Cruiser, the Glider 500.
There you have it mga kambanatics. FKM Slick 400 and Glider 500S are officially launched. At wow, napakagaganda. Very interesting tong dalawang bagong motor ng FKM. Yung Slick 400, tingin ko napaka-komportable niyang i-drive. At maganda rin siya ipang travel na scooter. At isa pa sa maganda sa kanya ay expressway legal na. Kaya napakaganda talaga nitong scooter na to. Yung Glider 500S naman, tingin ko napakalakas ng dating nito pag nakasabay sa kalsada. Parang nakakadoble o nakakatriple ng kapogian kapag drive itong motor na to. At sa dami ng nakita kong cruiser type motorcycle, masasabi ko na very unique ang design niya kumpara sa ibang cruiser. Curious din akong malaman kung anong pagkakaiba kapag nakabelt ang manual transmission ng motor. Ang suggested retail price ng Slick 400 ay 298,000, habang ang SRP naman ng Glider 500S ay 298,000. At sa July or August pa ang availability daw nito. So mga ilang months pa ang aantayin, pero sa ngayon pwede na kagad mag-reserve para sa unit, para once na dumating na yung stock ng unit ay i-release sa mga first batch na customers ng mga bagong models ng FKM. So good job Team FKM Philippines sa pag-launch ng napakagagandang bikes. Sana magkaroon ng pagkakataon na matry ko rin tong mga bikes na to. FKM, baka naman. So yan mga kambanatics, papakita ko lang sa inyo isa-isa yung mga models ng FKM. Mabilisan lang muna sa ngayon dahil gagawan ko naman sila isa-isa ng vlog. Ayan na nga mga kambanatics, yan ang mga kaganapan sa event sa launching ng mga bagong bikes sa booth ng FKM dito sa Makina Moto Show 2024. Kung nagustuhan nyo itong video ay huwag kalimutang mag-iwan ng like at pakisubscribe na rin ng aking channel. I-follow nyo rin ang aking Facebook page, Kambanatics. Ayan, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood at kita-kits tayo sa mga susunod ko pa na videos. Thank you for watching. Like and share for more Kambanatics videos.